Are you wondering if YouTube TV can truly replace your traditional cable subscription? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you how YouTube TV stacks up against cable. If you're tired of high cable bills and bulky equipment, you'll want to hear this. YouTube TV is a strong contender as a cable replacement for many households. It offers over 100 channels, including popular networks like ESPN, CNN, HGTV, and local affiliates such as ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox in most areas. You also get access to live sports, news, and on-demand content from select networks, all without the need for a satellite dish or cable box. One of the standout features is its unlimited DVR storage, which lets you record as much content as you want and watch it later for up to 9 months. However, there are some differences to consider. Cable often includes premium channels like HBO, Showtime, or Starz as add-ons, while YouTube TV requires separate subscriptions for these services. Additionally, cable may offer more regional sports packages or pay-per-view events than YouTube TV. On the flip side, YouTube TV's $72.99 per month price tag is typically much lower than the average cable bill, and it doesn't lock you into long-term contracts, giving you the flexibility to cancel anytime. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV can replace cable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.